Hopefully that will get the porch back in there.
The fender's a little beat up. Why are the fenders so beat up?